Hi, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rohit. I'm working as a project manager at Sweet Smart Waste Management Private Limited. So we have done a many project all over the world. So we have recently finished the project with BBMP in Bangalore. So we have done a project in Delhi, Charmandi Circles, to set up the material recovery factory. So then we started find out the many vendors for the conveyor. So then we go ahead with airline suppliers. So because they are very much active and very professional in designing the build for the MSW plants. So and I'm really happy with their coordination. Definitely we will recommend airline conveyors for the SWM projects. Thank you.